In this video, I'll show you how to find trending based meme coins on Dexscreener. And try to subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, when I mean trending meme coins, it basically means it meme coins that are gradually gaining volume, right? So they're gradually gaining good volume here on Dexscreener. Now, what you need to do, you need to click on this page, right? Once I clicked on it, you're gonna click on this tab with a fire streak, right? So I'm gonna click on it. You can see it's currently loading. Right, so you can see it has opened up and you're going to click on this. Right, once I've clicked on it, you can see the tokens are currently trending in the past 6 hours. These tokens in the past 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, you can see everything gradually, right? So in the past 5 minutes, you can see everything you need to see. Now, and if you find this very helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to show you guys in the very next one.